How to stop automatic payments in Bank of America. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in this video we will learn how we can stop automatic payments in Bank of America. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, you have to open up Bank of America application. Make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you are logged in and you land on this interface, navigate to the menu bar at the bottom. From there, you have to tap on the second option, that is Pay and Transfer. So once you tap on Pay and Transfer, you'll be taken into next page where you can find all of your activity. So from there, you have to select the one of the payment that you have made through the automatic payment option or where the automatic payment is turned on. So select the payment from the activity. If you cannot find under activity, you could also go through more activity and search for the payment. So select, after that you have to select the payment, and once you select it, you'll be taken into next page where you have all of the full information regarding that payment. If you have turned on the auto payment, you can simply tap on the cancel option on the next prompt to cancel your auto payment. And if prompted, follow any other instructions or prompts carefully, and once you complete that, your automatic payments will be stopped or turned off in Bank of America application. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.